This is the green jay, small but dangerously intelligent. Hidden in the canopy, it watches everything, missing nothing. Its bright colors aren't beauty, they're deception. Unlike others, it hunts with strategy, not just instinct. Insects, lizards, even nests all become targets. One sudden move and the hunt is over. But danger is everywhere. Predators watch from above. Every call, every step is a fight to survive. In this jungle, the green jay isn't just a bird, it's a silent predator.